Hey, what's going on, traders? Just wanted to give you guys a overview of the Legacy Algos backtester tool for trading view. As you can see, we have the NASDAQ here pulled up and we have the 1 hour. We have our backtesting strategy. That's right here. You guys can get access to that so you guys can backtest any single pair that you guys would like with the backtester tool, and it gives you guys all the analytics right here at the bottom. But as you can see, we have the hourly here pulled up on the NASDAQ. We have a 26,000% return with a 23.99% drawdown. This is essentially bringing a starting balance of $100, turning into $26,000 over the course of a year, with a max drawdown of $4,457. As you guys can see, the performance summary, you guys can literally see all the analytics from the trading algorithm, and you also can plug these settings into our legacy EA for MT5, so you guys can have this running on autopilot for you. But essentially it has everything here along with the list of the trades that it took from beginning to start. It started back on the beginning of the year, and it took a total of, let's see, 37 trades, 60% win rate. And this is the equity curve you can see here. So essentially, this is a humongous return. On average, indexes just holding, you might get over the course of like 10 years or so, maybe, 20% year over year. But this is a 26,000% return, which is huge. Just letting your money sit in the bank, you might get not even a percent. So it's definitely good to have a robots trade for you guys if you base everything off of quantitative analysis. And that's what we do here at Legacy Algo. So if you guys want access to this, you guys can check it out. Literally gives you guys all of the trades on TradingView, so you guys can see essentially where the algorithm got into the trades and where it got out. It took these longs, it closed here. It took these shorts, it closed essentially here, and so on and so forth. It gets in and gets out off of every signal candle, and you guys can do your own back testing and analytics. We can also pull up this strategy on Bitcoin. Let's see what it comes up with on the analytics on that. You're looking at a 7,000% return with, let's see here, up a humongous drawdown. So it's not really going to work for Bitcoin on the hourly. But for example, if you check out the minute, because every time frame is going to give you different analytics, you get an 8,000% return with an 89% drawdown. So again, you guys want to test every single, time frame to see which, settings and which pair and which time frame work the best on this backtesting tool. And then you guys can plug and play these settings into our legacy EA trading robot so that it can just literally just trade for you, and be hands-free. So, everything we do here, we base everything off quantitative analysis and algorithmic thinking. So if you guys want access to this, you guys can check it out. We do everything live in our Telegram and Discord group. And, we have an indicator that also allows you to manually trade that's very accurate. But as you guys can see here, the hourly gives us the best results off the specific settings we put into the backtester tool. And every time that you guys mess with the backtester tool, it changes up the analytics. For example, you can have an initial capital of $1,000, and it'll essentially, based off of the order sizing for contracts, you're looking at 2,000% return with a 22% drawdown. But for example, if you wanted to make this, an order size of 20 contracts or 20 lots, it's going to change the analytics. A 13,000% return with a 23% drawdown. You can literally just this is all based off your leverage that you guys have with the trading algorithm. You could put a 30 lot in there and you're looking at, a 19,000% return. This is the equity curve here at the bottom of TradingView, so you guys can see exactly what its performance looks like. And it was overall profitable over 60% of the time. And you guys can mess around with these settings and find the best way to optimize our legacy indicator and algorithm to get the best results for TradingView. With our stop loss, the way that we have it in the inputs, literally keeps our drawdown very low around the 23% mark with 26,000% return. I mean, you can pretty much just keep going. So it's an amazing tool to not only do quantitative analysis very fast and easy, but you guys can mess around with this to optimize our indicator, or you guys can take these settings and literally put them into the legacy EA for MT5 and then just sit back and allow it to trade for you. If you guys want access to this backtester tool or indicator, you guys can go to legacyalgo.com, and we give you guys our strategies there, our back tested strategies, top performing ones. You guys can even with this backtester tool sort based off different times of the market, so you can see, is it better to run the algorithm or the bot during 8:30 to 11 or 8:30 to only 9:30. As you can see here, we can put it to like 9:30, for example, and it changes up all the data. So you guys can see the statistics on how it would perform. So if we did 8:30 to 9:30, you got a 9,000% return, only 15 trades in those times based off the hourly time frame with a max drawdown of 34%. So again, you guys can mess around with all this stuff. We only ran this for the last year, but if you guys wanted to, for example, do the last 2 years, we can put this in for 2021, and these will be the analytics. You got 48 trades. The drawdown's not the best, and the net profit. So again, none of this is financial advice. This is just, giving you guys, information and education so you guys can make your own best informed decisions when it comes to day trading and investing. But doing quantitative analysis is an amazing way to, find out how your, strategies work so that you guys can implement them, and hopefully if that strategy continues in the future, repeat that. So that's the goal of doing back testing, especially when you guys have software like the Legacy Algo Backtester software in order to do that. So you guys can optimize every single trading pair you guys want easily on TradingView. There's tons of different pairs and there's tons of different strategies, but with our indicator, you guys can not only optimize it and get the best data for it, but you guys can then plug that data into our EA, which literally will copy these settings and trade automatically for you, systematically, emotionless, and just have it on autopilot to try to replicate these results for you. So again, please subscribe, like this post, and if you guys want access to this backtester tool or indicator or anything, just go ahead and follow us. Go to our Telegram or Discord, comment your TradingView name, join our 500 plus members and growing algo traders, quant traders. And yeah, until next time, thanks.